Steve from Easy Skip High Rubbish Removal. Did you know that up to 98% of bins that are dropped off have neighbours either partially fill it illegally or completely fill it illegally within 12 hours of the bin being dropped off? You're paying for that bin. You're liable for anything they put in there. Gas cylinders, tyres, paint, chemicals. Huge penalties apply if that's the case, and you're liable for it. But did you also know that if the bin's on your boundary, on your property, and someone injures themselves illegally filling your bin that you've paid for, you're liable for that as well? It's interesting. So, with our modern service, we are fully insured. You remove all your liability. We come with large modern bins. We only charge for the exact size. No risk of neighbours filling up the bins. Easy as. Pay for exactly what you've got. Great efficiencies. No cancel permits. Save your back. Save your money. Have a great day.